everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's open some LOL mini sweets. Yeah! Walking away. Look, we have 3 of them. Let's start with the first one. Mini sweet number 1. Okay, let's open it. Almost. Good. Whoa, 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 what is that? I'll check this area. I don't know this code. Oh, whoa. Wow, it's so strong. Whoa! I don't need to open that yet. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. What are these foods? Oh, I caught it. Huh? And what is it there? Hey, let's open the first one. Oh, what is that? Oh, I got a dress. Oh, I got this dress. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got a diamond bag. Door number 3. Oh. What is this in there? Hey, put it. Oh, that's a stand. Door number 4. Oh, wow, that looks like a sippy cup thingy. Oh, I got this. It's so adorable. It says ring pop. Door number 5. Oh, what's in there? Oh, never mind. I got it. Huh? Where's the second one? It went missing. Door number 6. Okay. Oh, it's in there. The shoe, but it seems a different color though. But they look fun. Oh, what is that? Wow, hard glasses, but they look a little bit pixel. Okay, let's open the next one. Where should I open it? What's behind the big door? Oh, I can see something right there. Hey, we'll go. Get out, please. I think it's gonna be cute. Oh, we got this girl. She looks giant, but she looks perfect though. Look at her hair. Opening the checklist. Oh, we got the berry pop. She spits. Wait, are we gonna get little sisters? Okay, let me check. Oh, I want the ultra rare. Let's get her dressed. Carry the bag. We need to wear her dress first. Where's her beautiful dress? Okay, let me do some magic. Ta-da! I'm putting on her dress. I'm putting on her shoes. I lost her shoe, but it's okay. I found it. Oh, my dress. Okay, perfect. Let's put it on. Make the water appear. Wait, right here. Whoa! How I did that? She's drinking her sippy cup. Now let's see what she does. She spits. Let's open the next one, guys. Number 2. She's so adorable. Okay, let's open the next one. Oh, what is that? Oops. Oh, it's right here. I can do it. Wow, it's gold. Oh, there's something under here, but I'll keep it when we open all of the accessories. Okay, let's open the first one, guys. Ooh, what's in there? Phew! Oh. It just heated on me. It's an orange shirt. So pretty. Let's open. Oh, okay, I just got it out. Whoa. Wow, a bag. It looks a little bit weird though. Okay, let's open accessory number 3. Oh, we got a skirt. We got an orange skirt. Door number 4. Ooh, a sippy cup. I'm sour. Okay, let's open door number 5. I'm sour. I got it. Oh, Wow, it's an orange shoe. Hey, get off me. Oh, oops. An orange shoe. These things are so jumpy. Door number 6. Let's see what's in there. Oh, a different one, a purple one. I love those colorful shoes. Those are sandals. Here's her stand. Ooh, there's a tiny one. It's so cute. What is in there? Ooh, it looks beautiful. Let's open it now. Whoa, she looks adorable. What a cutie. I think it's in the other side. Oh, wait. Oh, we got the sour star. We got the sour star. Wow. Is she rare? Is she ultra rare? She spits as well. I think I forgot to open something. There's one more thing. Ooh. Wow. That sea is cool. If she has the pig heart, she's rare. I think she's ultra rare. Yay! She has a heart. Let's put on her glasses. Okay, perfect. Wow, she looks cool. She's a cool girl now. Let's put on her skirt. Nope. I'm taking off. There she is. What a cool lady girl. She's ultra rare. Guys, I never got to ultra rare before. This is a cool day. Yeah! Hey friends, get ready. Super Fun Part 2 coming real soon. We will unwrap more adorable surprises together. Remember to stay on the lookout for it. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to join the fun every time. Catch you soon, friends.